Next command, df. Use the df command to see the available disk space in each of the partitions in your system. You can just type in df in the command line and you can see each mounted partition and their used available space in percent and in kilobytes. Used and available space and percent. Those are the mounted on partitions. If you want it shown in megabytes, you can use the command df-m. df-m. Next command, du. Use du command to know the disk usage of a file in your system. If you want to know the disk usage for a particular folder or a file in Linux, you can type in the command du and the name of the folder or a file. For example, if you want to know the disk space used by the documents folder in Linux, you can use the command du documents. You can also use the ls command with options -LAH to view the file sizes of all the files in a folder. Let's check du, then documents. As you can see, it displays the size or disk usage of the documents directory. Let's try ls-LAH, then documents. Now, as you can see, it is showing the disk usage and size of the files and directories. Next command, tar. Use tar to work with tarballs or files compressed in a tarball archive in the Linux command line. It has a long list of uses. It can be used to compress and uncompress different types of tar archives like .tar or .tar.gz or .tar.bz2, etc. It works on the basis of the arguments given to it. For example, tar-cvf for creating .tar archive, tar-xvf to untar a tar archive, -tvf to list the contents of the archive. This is a wide topic. We can come back to it later in another capsule. Let's test it quickly. As you can see, here is a directory test-tar-command. Let's compress that directory. I will use tar-cvf, then the tar file name, test tar command output.tar, then the directory test tar command. Now it has compressed the content of that directory. ls to list the files under the current working directory, and as you can see, this file was created. Let's remove this directory. rm-r and directory name. Let's do ls. The directory has been removed. Let's try to uncompress the tar file we created previously. tar-xvf test-tar-comment-output.tar. Now it is uncompressed. Let's do ls. We got back the directory and its content. To just list the content of the tar file without uncompressing it, we can use tar-tvf. Let's remove again the directory. ls. Let's do tar-tvf test tar command output file.tar. Now it has done the listing of the content without uncompressing the original file. This is the tar command. It is a wide topic. We might get back to it in another capsule. Next command, uname. Use uname to show the information about the system your Linux distro is running. Using the command uname-a prints most of the information about the system: kernel release date, version, processor type, etc. Next command, chmod. Use chmod to make a file executable and to change the permissions granted to it in Linux. Imagine you have a Python code named numbers.py. ls to this directory, I have this Python file. You will need to run Python, then the file name for it to work. Instead of that, when you make it executable, you will just need to run the file name in the terminal and it will be executed. To make a file executable, you can use the command chmod +x, then the file name. To execute it, we use /. Let me show you how is the permission for that numbers.py. ls-l numbers.py. We will talk about the permission topic later, so just note that there is rw and nothing, then r, then r. Let's do chmod +x, then the file name. Let's do again ls-l numbers.py. You will notice that this was changed and added x, as you can see. And from the GUI, you can notice this has been changed from black color to green color, which means it is executable now. Let's try to run it. To run this Python script, we use /, then the file name numbers.py. Now it is executed and it displays hello Linux lovers. It is not really numbers. We will talk about the permissions in another capsule, so don't worry about it at this moment.